This will be the elevator at the L.L.Bean store in Tyson's Corner Mall in McLean, Virginia. And of course, we have a Schindler 300A. Re-leveled. Let's head down to one. DA4926 returns. Seen this one before? Here we go. Chime does not work. Uneven floor. Man, that could be a huge problem. 2,100 pounds. Watch the entrance lamp if they work. If they work, that is. Go up to 2. Here's the service corridor and freight elevators. Door close button does not work. Here we go. Not just a basic L.L.Bean elevator. There are fixtures, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Oh, I failed to mention this MT control panel, 2,100 pound capacity. Schindler. Once after the doors close, there it goes, and that's it.